Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to embed a web page link into your PowerPoint slides. This valuable technique allows you to integrate live online content, providing your viewers with the most current data directly from the internet. Let's walk through the necessary steps to achieve this smoothly. Begin by ensuring that PowerPoint is open on your device. If it isn't active yet, launch the software now. Once the application is ready, open the specific project you are working on or create a fresh presentation. Now, identify the specific item on your slide where the link should be placed. You can choose a text box, a graphic, or a shape. Pick the element that best fits your presentation's flow and click on it to highlight it. Next, look at the navigation menu at the top of the interface and select the Insert tab. This section contains various tools for adding external elements to your work. Within this tab, locate and click on the link button. A new window will appear on your screen for configuring the hyperlink. Choose the Insert Link option to access the final settings panel. At this point, you need to enter the specific URL for the website you wish to connect. Please type the address carefully, as any typos will result in a broken link or lead to the wrong site. It is wise to verify the URL before moving forward. If the address is correct, simply press the OK button. This action confirms your settings and completes the process of linking the web page to your slide. The selected item is now a functional link to your chosen site. Following these instructions adds a layer of interactivity and real-time information to your slides. Incorporating LiveWeb links makes your delivery more engaging and provides your audience with immediate access to the latest online resources. Whether you are presenting market data or explaining new concepts, this feature adds significant depth to your work. Experiment with this tool to see how it improves your future projects. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your enhanced presentations.